Looking for an easy dessert that looks fancy but takes very little effort? Today we're making delicious poached pears. Soft, juicy pears gently cooked in a sweet, aromatic syrup. You'll need 4 ripe but firm pears, peeled, with the stems left on, 2 cups water, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup orange juice, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and the thin peel of 1 orange or lemon. Start by choosing a saucepan large enough to hold the pears comfortably. Add the water, sugar, orange juice, cinnamon stick, cloves, vanilla extract, and citrus peel. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir until the sugar completely dissolves. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Carefully place the peeled pears into the warm syrup. Make sure they are mostly covered by the liquid. If needed, add a little more water. Cover the pears with a piece of parchment paper or keep the lid slightly closed. Let the pears gently simmer for about 25 to 35 minutes. Turn them every few minutes so they cook evenly and absorb the delicious flavors. The pears are ready when a knife slides easily into the center, but they still hold their shape. Remove the pears and set them aside. Continue simmering the poaching liquid for another 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes slightly thicker and more concentrated. Place 1 warm poached pear on a serving plate. Drizzle it generously with the reduced syrup. For an extra special dessert, serve it with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or a spoonful of yogurt. You can also sprinkle some chopped nuts or grated chocolate on top. And there you have it. Beautiful, tender, flavorful poached pears with a delicious citrus and cinnamon syrup. This elegant dessert is simple enough for everyday cooking and impressive enough for guests. Try this recipe and enjoy every sweet, juicy bite.